dYdX DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Today, I'm diving into dYdX, one of the leading decentralized finance platforms, sharing my experience using it and highlighting why it stands out. Designed for crypto traders seeking a non-custodial, decentralized alternative, dYdX combines advanced trading tools with the transparency and security of blockchain technology. One of its core features is perpetual trading, enabling you to trade assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum with leverage, up to 20x. The platform is built on Starkware's Layer 2, offering fast, near-zero gas fee transactions, something that makes it appealing for active traders frustrated with high costs on Ethereum's mainnet. What truly sets dYdX apart is its seamless user interface, which feels more like a professional exchange than a DeFi protocol. The order book model, coupled with advanced tools like limit and stop-loss orders, caters to traders familiar with centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase Pro, but with the added benefit of retaining full custody of your funds. For those concerned with safety, dYdX excels. All trades are executed via smart contracts, meaning no third-party controls your funds. During my time using dYdX, I appreciated the speed and reliability of transactions. Deposits and withdrawals from Layer 2 are straightforward, although the initial setup requires bridging funds to Starkware, which can take a bit of time. The liquidity on the platform is impressive, providing tight spreads even during periods of market volatility. Additionally, the fee structure is competitive. For high-frequency traders, lower fees on Layer 2 make a significant difference over time. dYdX also rewards its users with trading fee discounts and governance rights via its native token, dYdX. If you're an active trader, these perks add tangible value, especially in their incentivized trading programs. However, it's important to note that the platform is geared towards experienced users. Beginners may find the complexity of perpetual contracts intimidating. In conclusion, dYdX is a powerful tool for serious DeFi traders, offering professional-grade trading capabilities in a decentralized format. If you value low fees, fast execution, and full control of your funds, this platform deserves your attention. For me, it has become a go-to for perpetual trading, and I recommend it to anyone seeking a robust DeFi trading experience.